Hello future billionaires and entrepreneurs, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you the age of billion-dollar companies. Before that, make sure to subscribe and drop a like below. Do check out my top recommendations to make money in the description. Currently there are over 6,500 companies that have over $1 billion market cap. Let us see the age of the most famous ones on the list. Number 1, Tesla, run by Elon Musk, is worth $830 billion, and its age is 17 years. Number 2, Google, owned by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, is worth $1,201 billion, and its age is 22 years. Number 3, Netflix, run by Reed Hastings, is worth $200 billion, and its age is 23 years. Number 4, Amazon, owned by Jeff Bezos, is worth $1.9 trillion, and its age is 26 years. Number 5, Apple, founded by Steve Jobs and run by Tim Cook, is worth $2 trillion and age is 44 years. Number 6, Microsoft, founded by Bill Gates, is worth $1 trillion and age is 45 years. Number 7, Intel, founded by Gordon Moore, is worth $270 billion and age is 52 years. Number 8, HP, founded by Bill Hewitt and David Packard, is 81 years old. Number 9, Disney, founded by Walt Disney, has a net worth of $122 billion, is 97 years old. Number 10, IBM, founded by Charles Flint, is worth $115 billion and is 109 years old. Hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe. Thank you.